what's up everybody? Landon here with LMR.com and it's Dyno Day. Boy, do we have a good one for you today. This is a 2012 Boss 302 with 141.3 miles. I know that's kind of hard to believe. Some of you are probably thinking, what the heck, get out there and drive that car. While there's probably a few of you saying, no, that's cool that it's preserved as well as it is. That way you can see kind of how everything was in 2012 when these things rolled off the assembly line. Anyways, bone stock, 141.3 mile 2012 Boss 302. The Roadrunner engine, which was a variant of the Coyote, was rated at 444 horsepower, 380 pound-feet of torque. Just for comparison's sake, the Coyote V8 and the GTs was rated at 412 horsepower, 390 pound-feet of torque. The Boss 302s utilized the MT82 6-speed manual transmission, so our pulls will be made in 5th gear, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. These did have the 2-piece drive shaft. All Boss 302s had 373 rear gears, and out back that's a 19-inch wheel with a 285/35/19 tire. Even with as little miles that it has, we have 93 octane fuel in the tank. Also, for what it's worth, we're gonna dyno this Boss 302 with the red track key. And in a nutshell, what the red track key does, it was installed by an authorized Ford dealer back in the day, and this adjusts variable cam timing, spark maps, engine braking, fuel control, and several other engine parameters. Also with this key, you get the kind of the Lopey idle is what Ford called it. And that kind of transitioned into the ghost cam is what most of us know it, kind of in the aftermarket world. You get the no lift shift, and you also get a 2-stage launch control with the red track key. And the reason why they did this, for folks that really wanted to get the full potential out of their Boss 302 when they took it to the track, this gave you that full potential. And for those of you that are wondering if it adds peak horsepower or peak torque, no, it doesn't, but Ford does claim that it increases 10 pound-feet of torque in the lower RPM range. If y'all watch our dyno videos, you know the drill. We'll make a quick trip around the car, make sure our straps are tight, lug nuts are torqued, even though they haven't covered many miles, and then it's go time. All right, people, let's go ahead and check out some results on this 2012 Boss 302. Again, they were rated at 444 horsepower, 380 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. This low-mile Boss is making 389 horsepower at 7,300 RPM. That's way up there, folks. And 351 pound-feet of torque at 5,300 RPM. You kind of crunch some numbers, you do some math, you're probably thinking, what the heck, that seems kind of low. I kind of thought the same thing, busted out my calculator, but that horsepower and that torque number, that's only about a 13% drivetrain loss, so pretty good. But other than that, people, like all of our dyno stuff, I hope y'all enjoyed this one. If you do, let us know down in the comments what you think of this immaculate 2012 Boss 302. And until we catch you in the next one, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure those notifications are turned on. That way you don't miss any of our future uploads. For all things 79 to present Mustang and SVT lighting, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.